right, ready to start the day. Let's roll. Oh, got my breakfast sandwich as well. Spinach cheddar wrap. All right, Laurenz is back, but it's not with the Civic. It's his girl's, what's this, Altima?
Altima.
Okay, Nissan Altima 13, excuse me. Check engine light, let's see what's up. Mass airflow. So I'll go ahead and pop the hood. Usually mass airflow is around the intake area, so I can see, it can monitor the volume of air coming in. So a lot of times, either the sensor goes bad or there's dirt in there. Remember on yours, we just cleaned it off.
Oh yeah, then it
went away, then it came back, then we cleared it again, and we adjusted your valve. Filter don't look too bad. It's dirty, but it's not. I mean, I've seen some crazier. Because you want to be able to see. If you look through here, through the sun, see how on the sides.
Oh, you can see.
You can see the sun, but you want to be able to see the I mean,
cuts and grooves.
Yeah. Mass airflow sensor, but I'm pretty sure there's something else in there that could be cleaned, but looks pretty sealed up. You don't have to consult the Nissan expert on this one. Kevin, should I be doing this? Let me know. Holler, Kevin. All right, we cleaned it off. We're gonna clear the code, wishful thinking. We'll just monitor when the next, when it comes back on. If it comes on immediately, then we're looking at possibly the sensor, So other than the check engine light, I mean, it's not like she has drivability issues or anything, right?
Well, sometimes when she has her car not on, but she'll leave the AC on, it'll just die. Or if we don't,
on the vents.
if we just double tap, because it's a push to start, if we just double tap it and it's on, but the engine's not on, it also dies too.
All right, I'm gonna have to sprinkle you, little bro. Especially on a car with the battery that's at least a couple years old. So now you got the reserve capacity on there is not as high. So basically, if you have a brand new battery, let's say you're sitting in a parking lot and you're listening to radio for like an hour, the chances of your car starting up, with a fairly old battery, you're taking a gamble. If it's a new battery, car will probably start. But on a fairly old battery, you can't be leaving the ignition on with accessories running.
It has to be on.
Yeah, you have to have the car running.
Okay.
Yeah, so the alternator could help, put some charge back to the battery as the engine. It's like the battery and alternator work hand in hand to stabilize each other, to power up the electrical system. But yeah, don't do that.
I'll tell her. She always be doing it. She'll literally
you don't I trip out because people still do it till this day. They leave the headlights on too. I'm like, well, the car's not on, you expect anyway. So if you look, the battery's already 4 years old. Actually, it'll be 5 years in this coming December. So battery is not 100% for sure. So just for the hell of it, since we're here, might as well check our oil level as well. So I would consider getting a new battery later on down the line. Just see how the engine cranks, like if it cranks slow, or if you have to jump it again or whatever, then I would definitely. So I might as well check the oil level while we're here. You guys been up to par with the oil changes, or kinda not really? Nope.
I don't know when she last changed it. Probably years.
Okay. There's barely any oil in here, bro. Yeah. That's how you kill a car real quick. Okay, I'm just seeing what oil this thing takes, and then hopefully I have the right weight oil and we could top it off. So after putting 1 quart of oil, it's not even at the minimum level, which is this dot to the left, this bottom dot. I position the dipstick this way. So he's gonna have to add some oil.
I really dislike driving this car. The rims are just terrible to look at.
Because it doesn't have VTEC? So me and the homie just tripping out why that warning exclamation triangle light was on. Looked up the book. It could be low fuel, windshield washer fluid, all kinds of stuff, right? But all it was because we had the door open.
So stupid.
Shit right there. Hey, we got it though.
Yeah.
We got it. Shit. There he is, John. What up, John? John Jenkins. Yo, the homie right here. The homie. You know how many times I've seen you, but you're so busy. I was like, man, he's focused. I gotta leave him alone.
Hey, I'm working right now, man.
Yeah, hard work.
As we speak.
Hard work.
Yes, sir.
So the homie might ball up with us today. Santa Benicia, 4 o'clock. Whoever wants to ball. You down?
It'll be fun.
Oh shoot, for your safety. Dang, that finally ran into John. Every time I drive by, he's not there. Anyhow, waiting on baby girl and her grandparents to get out of Walmart. And there they are, ready to go. Cruising the mean streets of Chula Vista just to get Halo Halo. All right, first stop was a bus. Wifey said she wanted upside down Halo Halo. The lady looked at me like I was crazy. What are you talking about? Here it is, the upside down Halo Halo. Sorry, I forgot. Child safety lock. My bad. Nice kicks, girl. Oh, that's it. There we go. Open the door, girl. P86. Gotta get the upside down Halo Halo. Don't touch. Wifey eating her upside down.
So good.
Upside down Halo Halo. 2015 CRV starter issue. Of course, it starts every time. Got it to mess up yesterday, but just in case. Damn. Okay. There we go. Woo. Old one, new one. Eat real quick and continue with the starter. All right, let's do this. Oh, yeah. Oh. Running a little late, but on the way to go play some hoops. We got the dream team here. It's our point guard. Joven, you left, so Dex is our point guard. Busted! Wow! Ooh! Got that on video. You're on the vlog now, officially. You're on the vlog, homeboy. What's up? Yeah. Hey, you can't say it like that. You can't say I'm a gangster. Like, I'm a motherfucking gangster. That's how it goes.
No, I'm just trying to act.
No, I'm just saying. Just got done playing ball here, Cyrus's neighborhood, so wanted to take a look at his brother's girlfriend's ride. Something going on with the door lock actuator, possibly. Don't worry, I won't show your face.
I'm gonna give you a
Man, look at this sampler. So shout out to the homie Cyrus with his homemade, home-brewed calamansi beer. It's pretty awesome. Yeah. And Mamba over here greeting me. What's up, Mamba? How's it going? How's your day? Everything cool? Everything cool? What's up? What's going on?